Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Angola, local and long distance movers near me. Be prepared to face several drawbacks once you decide to move to a different city or to another apartment over 50 miles or from where you stay now. We're here to assist you with your long distance interstate and interstate relocations, and we have a solid working connection with local, state, and federal authorities monitoring long distance moves. As a precaution, we've purchased insurance to pay for any damages or losses that may occur during the activity. When moving with your belongings, we only use the best drivers and movers in the business. We won't overcharge you since we provide low-cost moving services, and despite our low cost, we'll never offer any services below standard. Since local relocations involve less distance than long-distance ones, you can expect the cost to be less. We charge $30 to $40 an hour for our services. If you choose us, you get the best value for your money from our hard-working and experienced movers. Because we've worked in crowded cities before, you don't have to be concerned about your possessions being misplaced or damaged. Your relocation is in the best hands with our team of local movers who are here to help make sure the best decisions happen on your move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Angola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.